Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to reset settings to defaults on Google Chrome on Windows 11 and 10 browser. For this, first open the Chrome browser and click on this one menu icon, and here select settings in the drop down menu. In the left sidebar of settings, you will find reset settings option. Click on this one. Then under reset settings section, you will find option restore settings to their original defaults. Click on this one. This action will reset Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts and will disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data. However, bookmarks, history and saved password will not be affected. If you agree with these terms and conditions, just click on this one reset settings option. This will start resetting all this data including settings in your Chrome browser. Just after resetting, close the Chrome browser and restart it to use as you were using this one Chrome browser. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.